Hi, you guys. Welcome back. My name is Carrie Penny. I am the Happy Crafty Homemaker, and today I'm going to share with you guys what I picked up on week 2 of Knit Picks summer yarn sale. So I did not get any bare yarn from week 1. I had more than enough from where I placed my Nomad order a couple weeks ago, but I did grab a couple of things this week when it was the lace weight and fingering weight sale. Like I told you guys a couple weeks ago, the sale is being broken up. Different weeks, different weights of yarn are on sale from this point on. So this should be going live on Sunday. So this sale is still going. On Monday, it'll change over to, I think, worsted and Aran weight is the next one up. I think it's worsted Aran, then DK Sport, and then bulky. So let's get into this box and see what all I got. So first off, I got 2 balls of the Chroma fingering weight, and this is the colorway Groovy. This is going to be a shawl. I already think I know which shawl this is going to be. So this is 70% superwash wool, 30% nylon, machine wash, tumble dry, 396 yards, 100 grams. And I got 2 because the shawl I want to make, I want to be fairly large. So that's number 1. Now, I have a group of Hawthorne yarns here and a group of Stroll fingering weights for the rest of these. So these are the 2 Stroll fingering weights. The multicolored one is Sachet. And Stroll is 75% fine superwash merino, 25% nylon, machine wash cold, tumble dry low. And these are 462 yards, 100 grams. And I love how the colors in that look. Very similar to colors I just got done using. And this one, same stats on this one. This one is called just Blue Yonder. Da 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 da. But that's really, really pretty. Definitely more sky-like than some of the others. Up next are the Hawthorns. So this is 357 yards, 100 grams, 80% superwash fine Highland wool, 20% polyamide, machine wash cold, tumble dry low. And this is Poseidon kettle dyed. And that is very, very, very true to color. It's definitely far more green than it is blue. This one is North Star. Very, very pretty tonal. And some of these are going to be tonal. Some of these are speckled. Some of these are kettle dyed. They all kind of, I think, say different things on them. This is Equinox. Really love that. And I just used a very similar colorway out of my stash on another project. This one is Midwinter. And that blue is really popping out of there, so you can really see it on there. In person, in bright light, it does kind of read about that much contrast. But I think it's showing up just a little bit better on camera than it is in person. This one is Serpent. Very, very green. Very, very emeraldy. And also absolutely beautiful. I normally don't buy a whole lot of greens, so this is kind of weird where I've got 2 distinct greens up against, also we got 3 blues. 3 blues, 2 purples. All right, this one is Andromeda Speckle. And I do have a very similar one, I think, if I don't have that same one. I bought it because if I have 2, I have a project idea for it. If I only have the one, then I have other things I can do with it. But that's why I went ahead and grabbed that one. I think yeah, if it's in there, it's hidden pretty good. I've got quite a few of the Speckles line. I had somebody do a swap with me. So last year when this and the Rainbow Lines were released. So anyway, that's everything that I got. Very, like, I'm keeping most of my stuff fairly minimal. I forked out quite a bit on my Madeline Tosh, so I am trying to keep a little bit of a, but I have plans for a lot of the things you've seen over the last couple weeks. I haven't just been buying willy-nilly. Like, there is a plan for a lot of the stuff that I actually purchased. So anyway, you guys take care. I hope you're having a fantastic weekend, and let me know in the comments down below what you got, if you picked up anything from the Knit Picks lace and fingering weight sale, or if there's something you're hoping to see on sale next week. Remember, the sale will change on Monday. I've been noticing it's changed generally by 10 o'clock in the morning Eastern time. So hopefully there's some good things for us this week. Because Worsted Aran and Sport DK are probably the only other ones I'm going to do, because I don't do a whole lot with bulky weight yarn. So anyway, I will see you guys real soon. Take care.